Most people get this wrong when cashing out on free cash. They earn money successfully, see the balance in their account, and then suddenly hit verification problems, payout delays, or confusing withdrawal options. And honestly, that's where beginners lose patience fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to cash out on free cash step by step in 2026, the fastest withdrawal methods, common mistakes to avoid, and how to make sure your money actually arrives without problems. And there's one payout method that's usually much faster than the others. We'll get to that in a minute. First, let's quickly explain what free cash is for anyone new here. Free cash is a rewards platform where users earn money by completing surveys, downloading apps, playing games, and finishing online offers. Instead of earning confusing loyalty points, the platform converts earnings into a cash balance you can withdraw. Sounds simple. But here's where it gets interesting. The cash out process changes depending on your account status, country, and withdrawal method. So let's walk through it from the beginning. Step 1 is reaching the minimum cash out threshold. This is important because different payout methods require different balances. For example, cryptocurrency withdrawals may allow lower minimums than PayPal or gift cards. Jake signs up, completes a few game offers, and earns around $8. Great start. But then he realizes the PayPal option needs a higher minimum than crypto withdrawals. That surprises a lot of people. So before grinding offers endlessly, always check the withdrawal section first. Now step 2 is verifying your account. This is where most people fail. Free cash uses security checks to prevent fraud. If your account looks suspicious, withdrawals can get delayed. That means you should use real information from day one. Don't create multiple accounts. Don't use VPNs. And don't rush through surveys randomly. Alex ignored this advice and got stuck in manual verification for days. Meanwhile, John used accurate details from the beginning and cashed out smoothly. Simple difference. Huge result. Now let's move to the actual withdrawal process. Inside the free cash dashboard, go to the cash out section. You'll usually see several payout categories. PayPal, crypto, gift cards, gaming rewards, and sometimes bank-related options depending on your region. Here's the truth no one tells you. Not all withdrawal methods are equally fast. Crypto withdrawals are often the quickest, sometimes almost instant after approval. Gift cards can also process very quickly. PayPal usually takes longer because of extra fraud reviews and verification checks. So if speed matters most, crypto often wins. But here's the problem. Not everyone wants crypto. If you're unfamiliar with wallets or exchanges, PayPal may still feel easier, even if it's slower. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your first withdrawal is usually the slowest. This catches many beginners off guard. Free cash often reviews first-time withdrawals more carefully to prevent abuse. After successful payouts, future withdrawals can become much faster. That means patience matters early on. Now let's talk about verification because this causes the biggest headaches. Sometimes free cash asks for ID verification before processing withdrawals. This sounds scary, but it's common on reward platforms in 2026, especially for larger payouts. Jake panics when asked for verification documents. He thinks the site is fake. But actually the platform is just preventing fraudulent accounts. So if verification appears, follow the instructions carefully and use matching personal information. That usually solves the issue. Now let's discuss the fastest earning strategy because this directly affects how quickly you can cash out. Not all offers credit at the same speed. Surveys often credit quickly. Game offers can take days or weeks. Some shopping cashback offers may take even longer. This is the mistake people make. They complete huge game offers expecting instant cash outs. Then they get frustrated when rewards stay pending. If your goal is fast withdrawals, focus on quick credit tasks first. That means short surveys, app installs, and smaller promotional offers. Another important thing is offer tracking. Always click through free cash directly before downloading apps or games. If you install something outside the platform first, tracking can fail completely. And once tracking fails, support tickets become a nightmare. Now, let's talk about payout safety because this matters more than people realize. Never cash out to accounts that don't belong to you. Names should match whenever possible. And if you're using crypto, triple-check wallet addresses before confirming withdrawals. Crypto transfers usually cannot be reversed. One wrong character can mean lost funds permanently. Now here's something smart users do. They test with small withdrawals first. John earns $20 but only withdraws $5 initially. Why? To confirm the payout method works correctly. Once everything arrives successfully, then he withdraws larger amounts later. That one habit prevents a lot of stress. Now, let's answer the question everybody asks. How long do free cash withdrawals actually take in 2026? It depends on the method. Crypto can sometimes arrive within minutes. Gift cards may take anywhere from instant delivery to a few hours. PayPal often takes longer, sometimes up to a few business days depending on reviews. First-time withdrawals may take the longest overall. But here's the good news. Once your account develops a normal history, payouts usually become smoother. Now let's discuss realistic expectations because this matters. Free cash can pay real money. Many users successfully cash out regularly. But not every offer is worth your time. Some games require huge grinding for tiny rewards. Some surveys disqualify users constantly. The smart approach is being selective. Focus on high-value offers with good completion rates. Ignore obvious time traps. And always calculate whether the reward is worth the effort. Now here's the biggest mistake beginners make after cashing out once. They get overconfident. They start rushing surveys, opening duplicate tabs, or trying suspicious shortcuts to earn faster. That often triggers fraud systems immediately. And suddenly, payouts stop. So consistency beats speed. Every single time. Before we wrap up, here's the fastest beginner setup for smooth free cash withdrawals in 2026. Use accurate account information. Complete smaller quick credit offers first. Verify your account early if requested. Test a small payout before withdrawing large balances. And choose crypto or gift cards if you want maximum speed. That setup alone avoids most beginner problems. So here's the bottom line. Free cash withdrawals are real. The platform can pay quickly. But your experience depends heavily on verification, payout methods, and the offers you choose. Most payout problems come from user mistakes, not the platform itself. And once you understand how the system works, cashing out becomes much easier. If this video helped you successfully cash out on free cash, hit the like button and subscribe for more app tutorials, side hustle reviews, and money-making guides. And in the comments, tell me which payout method worked fastest for you in 2026.